Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down what happened in the US stock market on October 16, 2024, and giving you an inside look at what could happen tomorrow. If you're into market updates, stock analysis, and forecasts, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Let's start with today's market action. It was a mixed day across the board. The S&P 500 closed up just over 0.3%, powered by a rally in tech and consumer discretionary stocks. NASDAQ had a good day too, gaining around 0.5%, thanks to strong earnings reports from some major players in the tech space. On the flip side, Dow Jones struggled a bit, dipping by 0.1%, mainly due to weakness in industrials and some profit-taking after a strong run. Now, let's talk about the stocks that really moved the needle today. Tesla shot up by 4%, continuing its strong momentum after its recent product launch. Meanwhile, Amazon jumped by 3%, driven by higher-than-expected earnings and a solid outlook for the holiday season. On the other hand, Boeing took a hit, sliding by 2.5% after announcing delays in the delivery of some aircraft. Also driving the market today was the release of some key economic data. Inflation came in a bit hotter than expected, with the consumer price index showing a 0.4% rise for the month, which is keeping the pressure on the federal. While inflation is easing year over year, today's report suggests that price pressures are still a concern. That's why we saw bond yields rising and financial stocks taking a breather. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow, October 17, 2024, all eyes will be on jobless claims and housing data. The labor market has been holding up, but any sign of weakness could give the market a reason to pull back. We're also watching closely for any developments on interest rates. If bond yields keep climbing, it could weigh on stocks, especially in the tech sector. But, if we get any dovish signals from the Fed, that might fuel another rally in growth stocks. So, what should investors be watching for tomorrow? Well, keep an eye on Apple and Microsoft, both are set to report earnings after the bell. Any surprises there could shift the market in a big way. Also, keep tabs on energy stocks, with oil prices inching higher, we could see some movement in that sector as well. As always, stay informed, do your own research, and don't let the daily market noise distract you from your long-term goals. It's a good time to assess your portfolio and see where there might be opportunities for growth, or where you might need to tighten things up. That's it for today's recap and forecast. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more daily updates and market insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.